the parentheses, that means it's backwards. Here, this 4, it's plus 4. That means move up 4, right? Because we moved up 4. So really, this just shows us how to graph without having to do the table. We just take our original and shift it. We move right 2 and up 4, and it moves it. Something I want to mention here. If I start out at my vertex, to get to this point, I would go over 1, up 1. So I'll write that down. Over, and I'm going to write it in a different spot. So that's what I'm going to remember there. Over 1, up 1. If I start at the vertex and I wanted to get to this point, well, that would be over 2, up 4. Okay, I'll write that down. If I wanted to do another one, I would move over 3, up 9, because I'm squaring. Like, this squared is 4. This squared is 1. So if I had 3, it would be 9. But that's how I can think about this. Now I want to show you something. If I start at my vertex and I want to get to this, how do I do it? Over 1, up 1. It's the same. If I started at my vertex and I wanted to get to this point, it would be over 2, up 4. The same thing. It's the same as this. It's just we're moving to the right 2 and up 4. So the quick way to do it is just by looking at here and seeing what you have to shift, and then paying attention to over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4. So with that being said, let's try another example. Or actually, let's do a first example, because those weren't really examples. So let's see. So I'm going to graph this, but before I graph it, I want to know what this stuff means. Remember, this was backwards. This tells you left and right movement. And this one was not backwards. That tells you up or down. So in this case, here, this means move 4 units to the left. Remember, it's backwards. Move left 4 units. And then this one means move down 3 units. And then I'm going to follow over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4. So let's see that. And I'll put my graph here. So I get this. Okay. Well, my vertex will be at, I guess, move left 3 units. So I'm pretending I have this. I'm pretending that I have this already, and I'm just going to shift it around. So I'll take this and I'll move it left 4 units. So that means like the vertex would be here, but I'm moving it left 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's my new vertex. And then I'm going to do this. Over 1, up 1. From my vertex. Over 1, up 1. Over 2, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Over 1, up 1. Over 2, up 4. And then I have my parabola. There we go. Super quick. I've just graphed this without having to plug stuff in. It's just moved around. So hopefully that makes sense to you.